Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage profiles on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Netflix application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to log into your account. Go ahead and use your credentials to log in, and once you have been logged into your account, in order to manage the various accounts, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner, which is your profile icon. Now from this page you will find the Manage Profiles option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to choose which profile you wish to manage. Tap on the profile that you want to manage, and now you can change the profile picture, change the name of the profile, and also select various other options. You can tap on Viewing Restrictions in order to change the restriction settings. You also have the option to change your profile lock by tapping on Profile Lock. You can change your display language by tapping on the display language option, and you can also choose the audio and subtitle language by default. After managing all of your settings, you can go back and your settings will be saved. If you wish to delete your profile, you can tap on the Delete Profile option and your account will be deleted right away. And there you have it. That is how you can manage the various profiles that you have within your Netflix account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.